Good morning, everybody. This is Justin with S&S Apache Camping Center, coming to you today with a new piece of inventory. This is stock number 500033. This is a 2010 Forest River Lexington GTS, which is their Grand Touring Series. The floor plan is a 283 TS. This particular floor plan is right at 30 feet long. It's got 3 slides. It's built on the Ford E450 chassis with the V10 engine. This one's got right at 30,000 miles on it, and it is what most would call a B+ or a Class C. So very easy to maneuver vehicle, easy to get around in, and easy to drive. So let's do a quick walk around of it, show you what's going on with it. First and foremost, we got no cracks or stars in the windshield, so that's pretty good there. Tires are in excellent shape. The paint looks excellent. Got slide out awnings on all the slide outs. Underneath here is your Onan quiet gas 4,000 watt generator. Sewer hose storage, underbelly storage, outside shower, black water tank flush, water heater. With your city water connection, freshwater fill, fuel fill. This is a 30 amp supply. It's got 1 air conditioner on it. The roof on this is aluminum. You do have a rear ladder to access the roof. Rear view camera up there. This has got a very nice long manual awning. Follows the contour of the body. Here you've got outside storage that is also accessible from inside. Some outside speakers that are tied into the inside sound system. And then we've got more storage here. Outside power. Already got the bug screens on the furnace and the water heater. Once again, the paint looks pretty great on this thing. The GTS model, one of the upgrades was this full body paint, a couple other little things inside. So let's take a quick step inside and see what's going on. So you immediately walk in the door, you're walking straight into the kitchen area. So this has got a combo 3-burner stove with a half-time convection oven. Range hood with storage over the top. Couch that makes into a sofa bed. Solid surface countertops here with a nice thick sink cover. Pull out sprayer. More storage. 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Step back there in just a second here. Got a booth dinette over here on the passenger side. This is one of the really easy to operate booth dinettes. There's a lever underneath here. We rotate the lever and this whole table will push down on a gas strut. So it's very easy to bring up and down and set up at night and bring it back the next morning. It's an easy setup there. Up front in the cab area, we've got nice leather seats, rubber floor mats. Once again, the Ford chassis with steering wheel controls for your cruise control. Nice dash radio system. Up front here is the television and the surround sound system. So your curtain for separating off your cab from the rest of the coach. And then the DVD player and the radio. This has also got a King Dome satellite on top. Stepping back here, got a glass enclosed shower. Private toilet, the sink, medicine cabinet, Toilet is up on a pedestal. And then back here we got the queen bed in the bedroom with lots of wardrobe space and storage nooks here. So 3, 4 drawers. There's actually storage here behind the TV. Cedar line wardrobe space on both sides. And there's also some storage underneath the bed. So there you have it. This is the 2010 283 GTS Lexington. My name is Justin. I'm the Internet Sales Manager. Feel free to shoot me an email through the website or give us a call directly. Once again, this is stock number 500033. Give us a call.